All right, welcome to the Explainer. Today we are diving into a problem I'm pretty sure everyone feels. You know, those endless, mind-numbing digital tasks that just suck the life out of your day. Well, we're going to talk about how you can finally take back control of all that, starting, well, right now.
So, does this sound familiar to you? You're manually copying and pasting customer info from, say, a web form into a spreadsheet and then into your CRM. Ugh. Or how about downloading email attachments one by one by one? It's what I call the digital grind. All that constant app switching and manual work that just screams a robot should be doing this. Well, you're right. It can be. So, okay, what's the answer to all this frustration? Well, I want you to meet your new personal automation assistant. It's called n8n. That's n-8n. And it is built from the ground up to take all those repetitive chores right off your plate. So what is it really? At its heart, n8n is this amazing tool that lets you connect all your different apps and services to build, automated workflows. But here's the key, the magic phrase really, without writing complex code. And that is a game changer. It means automation is no longer just for the super techie developers. Nope, it's for everybody.
Honestly, the best way to picture this is to think of it like digital Legos for your apps. Seriously. Imagine each app you use, Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, whatever, is a Lego brick. Well, N8N is the platform that lets you be the master builder. You get to snap all these different bricks together in any way you want to build something totally new, something incredibly useful.
Okay, so let's dig into what really makes N8 so powerful. First up, it's open source. That means you have total control. You can even host it yourself for maximum privacy, which is huge. Then there's a visual interface. It's all drag and drop, which makes building these automations feel super intuitive. But if you're a power user, don't worry, you can always jump in and add your own custom JavaScript for extra flexibility. And maybe my favorite part, the smart triggers. You can set your automations to run on a schedule or, and this is so cool, have them kick off in response to a specific event, like say, the second a new email hits your inbox.
So, that's the what. Now let's get to the fun part, the how. What kind of stuff can you actually build when you have the power to connect all your digital tools together? Let's take a look. Get ready for this. We are talking about over 350 pre-built integrations. Yeah, in the n8n world, these are called nodes. And remember, these are your Lego bricks. This means you can connect literally hundreds of the most popular apps right out of the box. We're talking project management tools, social media, e-commerce, databases, you name it. So what does this actually look like in practice? Well, imagine this. You write one social media post, just one, and n8n automatically blasts it out to Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook, all at the perfect scheduled time. Or how about this one? A new lead fills out a form on your website. Before you can even blink, n8n has already added them to your CRM, tagged them, and fired off a personalized welcome email. And you didn't do a thing. You were focused on something else entirely. See, this isn't just about saving time. It's about building a smarter, faster, and way more powerful system. Okay, I know what you might be thinking right now. This sounds amazing, but probably super complicated to set up, right? Well, let's just bust that myth right now. You're about to see just how easy it is to build your very first workflow. It is way, way simpler than you think. Really, your whole journey to automation comes down to 5 simple steps. First, you install n8n and open up the editor. Next, you start adding your nodes. Those are your apps, remember? This is the fun part. It's like picking out your Legos. Then, you just draw lines between them to connect everything and set a trigger that tells the whole thing when to go. Give it a quick test run to make sure it's all good, and then you smash that activate button. And just like that, your new assistant is on the clock, working for you 24/7. And this really brings us to the bigger picture here. A tool like n8n isn't just about cool tech tricks. It's about a fundamental shift in how we approach our work. It's all about reclaiming the one thing you can never get more of, your time. You know, there's a quote that just perfectly captures the mission here. It says that n8n empowers individuals and businesses to automate tasks with ease, improving productivity and reducing errors. And that word empowers is everything. Because when you automate these tasks, you're not just getting more stuff done, You're also cutting down on human error, which makes your work more accurate and reliable. When you really think about it, a tool like this completely changes your relationship with technology. You stop being just a passive user, just clicking buttons inside a bunch of separate apps. Instead, you become the conductor of your own digital orchestra. You're the one telling all your apps how to work together in perfect harmony to do exactly what you want them to do.
So, I'm going to leave you with this question. Think about your day. Think about that one repetitive task, the one you absolutely dread doing. Got it? What is it? Because that right there is the very first thing you can and probably should teach your brand new digital assistant to do for you.